Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Duolingo Plus subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions based on how you subscribed. Step 1. Determine where you subscribed to Duolingo Plus. If you subscribed through the iOS app, you'll cancel through Apple. If through Android, you'll cancel through Google Play. If on the web, you'll cancel through Duolingo's website. Step 2. For iOS users, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your name at the top, then select Subscriptions. Step 3. Find Duolingo Plus in your list of active subscriptions and tap on it. You'll see your subscription details and renewal date. Step 4. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your cancellation when prompted. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. Step 5. For Android users, open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon and select Subscriptions. Step 6. Find Duolingo Plus in your subscriptions list and tap on it. Select Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. Step 7. For web subscriptions, log in to your Duolingo account on the website. Click on your profile and go to Settings. Step 8. Look for the Duolingo Plus or subscription section. Click on Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Step 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. Duolingo may ask you to provide feedback about why you're cancelling. Step 10. After cancelling, you'll receive a confirmation email. You'll continue to have access to Duolingo Plus features until your current billing period ends, after which your account will revert to the free version. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.